Hi, the project that I will be doing is the creation of Leisha's Beauty Supply. My mentor that I will be going over and describing is Sharon Wallace. Project agenda. I want to be introducing my mentor, going over some important project points, explaining my project and takeaways. Importance of project. So the first one is to determine the strategic method of opening my business, list the options to achieve my business goals, help create an organizational strategy, and to utilize the project to make business moves with opening my beauty store. My mentor is Sharon Wallace, and she's the owner of K&S Elite Catering in Atlanta, Georgia. Mentor background. The beginning of her career, she worked as a teacher for 15 years. She then became an entrepreneur when she opened Wallace We Care, a daycare she had for 20 years before moving. She got her degree in child care and an administrative credential at UW Parkside. She moved to Atlanta and went back to school for catering and attained her license to open in Georgia. She opened her catering company, partnered with her husband, and been in business for 4 years. Continue mentor background. She and her husband travel to different events to cater gatherings. They have launched their signature barbecue sauce and seasonings. They are planning on having their items in the local grocery store next year. And these are some pictures of events in their seasoning and barbecue sauce. Why did I choose Sharon Wallace? I picked Sharon because she's the definition of having an idea and creating magic. She created 2 successful businesses, even though one is no longer. She is thriving in her catering company. She was the one that encouraged me to open my business. She has been my mentor ever since I worked at her daycare, and we connected by talking business. She continued to give me advice and tips on how to open a successful business. Why are you planning to do? I'm planning on using this project as a stepping stool in order to create my business. 2 questions that I want to ask my peers on moving forward with creating this project and also successfully building my business. What are some time management and organization skills that I could incorporate to keep on track? And if anybody have more advice on building a business, it will be helpful. Thank you.